So I'm on the train to Scotland. Hi everybody, I am in Scotland. So, place cool. And I am going to figure out now what am I going to be doing. Do I go to have dinner first and then I go check in, or I don't know, I'm gonna decide what I do. But I'm in Scotland. The place it is very cold. Very cold. Very cold, and it's cloudy, you know, cloudy and cold, but I love it because you know it's the perfect time for coffee. Bye. I'll keep you guys posted.